Welcome, students. How are you today? I hope you're fine and in good health. This is our English class online. I'm your teacher, Teacher Glean. Now, last week, we learned about how to ask the question, do you like apple? How to answer that one? Okay. Do you like apple? Yes, I do. Okay, it's a sort of review as we have learned last week. Okay, let's start with our review. Do you like banana? Do you like coconut? Do you like mango? Okay, that's great. You get it. Now let's continue for more. Do you like orange? Okay, that's great. Do you like papaya? Okay, good. Do you like strawberry? Okay, that's great. Today we will have a new lesson about foods. And then we will answer question later. Okay, so listen carefully and pronounce it correctly and clearly. Okay, let's start with different foods first. Okay, what is this? You know it? Okay, it's a cake. C-A-K-E, cake. How about this one? You know this? Okay, that's hamburger. Hamburger, hamburger. Okay, now how about this one? Okay, this is fried chicken. Fried chicken, Fried chicken. Fried chicken. How about this one? Okay, I know you like it. Huh? French fries. French. Fries. French fries. Okay. Now how about this one? Okay, that's good. Hot dog. Hotdog. Hot dog. How about this one? Oh, I know you like it. Pizza. 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 How about this one, the last one? Okay, that's noodles. 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 Yes. Okay, let's repeat, okay, so that you identify and then I will ask you a question later, okay? Cake, hamburger, fried chicken, French fries, hot dog, pizza, and noodles. Okay, very good. Now, let's answer this question. What food do you like? If you like, then you say, I like the food, okay? Now, let's try. For example, what food do you like? Okay, look at this picture. So if you like this, then you say, I like cake. Okay. So to answer this question, you need to what? Look at the picture and identify. Identify what is this. So we see the picture, it's a cake. So the answer is what? It's, or you say, I like cake. Did you get it? Okay. Okay. Now, let's start this one. What food do you like? Okay. You can identify. So look at the picture and then identify that food. And then you can say, I like hamburger. Okay, very good. How about this one? Number 2. What food do you like? Okay, what is this? So if you can identify this picture, then you can say, I like hot dog. Okay, that's very good. It's easy. How about this one? What food do you like? Okay, what is this? Okay, this is fried chicken. So you can say, I like fried chicken. Okay, now let's review. Okay, now you will answer. I will ask the question. You just look the picture and then identify and then you answer. Okay, what food do you like? Okay, that's great. Now, number 2. What food do you like? Look at the picture. Excellent. Okay. Number 3. What food do you like? Yes, I like fried chicken. Okay, that's great. Okay, now let's have more so that you can get it. Okay. What food do you like? Look at the picture. Okay, that's great. I like noodles. What food do you like? Look at the picture. I know it is your favorite, okay? I like? Yes, I like pizza. Yes. How about number 6? What food do you like? Oh, I like this one. Oh, I like French fries. Okay, that's great. Okay, let's repeat. Okay. Now I will not tell you the answer. You will be the one to answer, okay? Uh, what food do you like? Good. Number 5. What food do you like? I know you like it. Okay, very good. That's the answer. What food do you like? Okay, very good. Okay, keep it up, students. That's all for today. Thank you for listening and watching this video. See you again. Bye-bye.